Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. If you have not subscribed Omega Pi IIT JEE and GATE, please subscribe it and share it with your friend. It will hardly take 10 seconds to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the video. In this series, we are going to solve previous year GATE question of chapter Signal and System from 1992 to 2000. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch. In the previous video, I have discussed up to question number 18. In this video, we are going to solve question number 19. This question came in 2016, asked by IISc Bangalore. This is a very easy question, but you have to know the formula of cardinal sine function or cardinal sine function known as sinc function. Basic property you have to know: what is time scaling property, what is the area of sinc function. Understood? These are the property we are going to use to solve this question. We have to solve integration 2 into minus infinite to infinity sine of 2 pi t divided by pi t into dt. We have to solve this integration. First of all, here argument is 2 pi t. We have to mm, here argument is 2 pi t. We have to make the argument same in denominator also. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide by 2 and multiply by 2. Here it will become 2 into t, 2 into 2 minus infinite to infinite sine 2 pi t whole divided by 2 pi t. Understood? We have just same the argument into dt. Understood this part? We know one formula, which is sinc t can be written as sine pi t up divided by pi t. Similarly, we can say sinc 2t can be written as sine 2 pi t whole divided by 2 pi t. Understood? We can replace sine 2 pi t upon 2 pi t with sinc 2t. Understood this part? We can write 2 into 2 from integration minus infinite to infinite. In place of sine 2 pi t divided by 2 pi t, we can replace sinc 2t. Understood this part? With multiply with dt. We have used this property sinc 2t equals to sine 2 pi t whole divided by 2 pi t. Let me revise the definition of area. What is area? We know area minus infinite to infinite xt dt. This is area of xt. This all of you know basic definition of area. So we can write minus infinite. Let me highlight which part. From minus infinite to infinite, sinc 2t can be written as area 2 into 2. This we can replace with area of sinc 2t, area of xt. Here xt is sinc 2t. Understood this part? We know what we know. We know minus infinite to infinite area of sinc t. Area of sinc t, we know it is always equals to 1, but here we have given sinc 2t. Now we are going to use scaling property. What is scaling property? Let me revise the scaling property also. From minus infinite to infinite, sinc kt can into dt, it will be equals to 1 upon mod k. Understood this part? We have to just divide by mod k. We know area of sinc t is always equals to 1. Here 2 into 2 will be 4. Area of sinc 2t can be written as, let me write here, minus infinite to infinite sinc 2t dt can be written as 1 upon mod of 2. Here k is 2. So we can replace k with mod 2. Understood this part? area of sink 2t. This is always equals to area of sink 2t. Understood this part? Area of sink 2t can be written as 1 upon mod 2, which is equals to 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 2. Our final answer is integration. Our final answer of integration will be equals to 2. Let me highlight this. Let me check in the given option which is correct. Option A is incorrect. Option B is also incorrect. Option C is also incorrect. Option D is the correct, which is 2. Understood? We have just, in this question, we have used the property of sink T, area of sink T, and time scaling of sink. Understood? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will end this lecture here.